Okay, we start now. Today I'm playing. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna play the. I think I know how to play. So, oh, it's my bold friend. It's my bold friend. Hello, friend. Today, what are we going to do? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna take pictures. Why you guys camping here? Bro, why you guys camping here? There's no electricity. Oh, is there any batteries? Where are you? Okay, let's go, my friend. What are you going to say? What the fuck? Okay. At least infinite food. Yeah, I use my electricity bill. Let's count together, my friend. Where do we go? What the fuck? Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, let's find each other, my friend. Where are you, my friend? Why didn't you follow with me? Don't leave me, my friend. I don't wanna freaking die. A battery. There's no light. Okay. There's no crawl place. Why is there no crawling place? Okay. Where the frick am I? This is getting creepy. Okay, that was a little unnecessary. That was scary. Why you guys know there? Hello, my friend. How did you die, my friend? Let's go, my friend. Hurry up, boy. We jump together, my friend, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Where are you again, my friend? Don't leave me alone here, please. Why is there no crawling place? Dead end, are you serious? Okay, where am I go? It's so close. I hear that. Bro, hurry up! Bro, this is so annoying. I wish I never played this game. Oh my god, bro. This is a lot creepier than the mimic. Okay, that's good. Where am I? Okay. Where is my friend though? Where is my friend? Hello, Mr. Choco! Mr. Choco! Hello, my friend. Hello. Okay. Where are we going, Dodo, my friend? Where are we going? What the fuck? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Harold. Are you serious? Bruh, why you died though? You never... What? Don't tell me to shut up, okay? You're the one is annoying to you. You let me die there. Okay, let's go. You're so slow. Ah! So slow. So slow and little. We jump at the same time, okay? We jump at the same time. Hey, don't leave me alone. Let's go in the other path, boy. Let's go in the other path. Is this the harder way or that's the easy way? Okay, wait for me, okay. Wait for me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. What the heck what the fuck? Where are we? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Are you serious? Don't leave me alone, my friend. Why am I still here? I hope it's not hard. They're not gonna lie. At least this is a new one. Yes. Yeah. I found the crawling place, my friend. I hope you're jealous, my friend. I hope you're jealous. Oh. Oh yeah, Harold. Oh, hello. Oh, too easy. So easy. So easy. Ah! So easy. So easy. Okay, that's the end of the video. Peace out. Bye-bye. Say goodbye, my friend, okay? Say goodbye, my friend. Say goodbye in the chat. Okay, let's go.